Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can reply to a review or how you can add a comment under the review in Steam. So I have this desktop Ricardo Dance. That's the best game you can buy, by the way. Mamma mia. And what I'm going to do, I'll just click on the recommended and I can just write easily the comment here. What up, my Ricardo homie? And this is how we do it. And then you got like formatting help here that you can do, but yeah, this is pretty much it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah, have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.